So right now I have Volkswagen Touareg. This vehicle has a problem with check engine, and another problem is the fan is running continuous non-stop. When you put ignition on, the fan start off. So I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. So before we proceed, I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. So under the ECM or engine control module, okay, read code. Okay, we have coolant pump B control circuit open. Then we have turbo boosters. Then we have cylinder 3 glow plug circuit. Then we have mass air volume of air circuit. Then we have engine coolant temperature sensor. Then we have engine oil temperature sensor circuit range performance. Then we have ECM power relay energizer. Then we have engine coolant temperature the same. So those are fault code. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quick erase like that. After doing that, we have already quick erased. So this one will help us to identify the main culprit faults. So I'm going to put ignition off, then on again. After that, I'm going to scan the vehicle again. Let me scan. Okay. So right now let me read the code. The main fault code number 1 is P0117, which is engine coolant temperature sensor 1. Then we have P261A, which is coolant pump B. Then we have P0673, which is cylinder 3 glow plug. Those are the main fault code that we are going to deal with. So I'm going to start with number 1, which is P0117. Fan is running continuously. So we are going to deal with P0117, engine coolant temperature sensor 1 circuit low. Right? So we have two temperature here, the secondary and primary. This is the secondary. Primary was sensor B or sensor 2. Then this is the sensor 1. Sensor 1 is here. So I'm going to remove the element, everything here, even the battery, so that we access it. Before we go further, look, this is an open circuit. This is the lock. Hey, so there is an open circuit. See, so I'm going to join wire. Look, I'm doing this because where I am right now, I cannot access those things. And I told you from the first video, no matter where you are, but work must be done. Things must function, right? So after doing that, I think that was the main problem of P0117. Was about the coolant temperature sensor 1 or primary sensor. So we are moving back to another code. So next code is P0673, cylinder 3 glow plug circuit. So this is the engine, 1, 2, 3. This is the culprit. See, another looseness. As I've seen this vehicle, the main problem is carelessness. So we have a lot of looseness. So I'm going to make sure that socket is intact. Let me say we are done with that code. Glow plug cylinder 3. there was an open circuit also. We are going to the next.
Then we are going to confirm coolant pump B.
Coolant pump B is behind here. Another carelessness. We have another open circuit like that. I think we are done with this vehicle. A lot of things was an open circuit. So let me go back and clear the code. So I'm going to reconnect. Which means most of today's work was an open circuit. So I'm going to quick erase every code here. Let me quick erase. So the most of fault code today are open circuit caused by carelessness. I think we are done. Let me start the vehicle. I think we are done. The only lights that are being shown is because I disconnected the battery. So I'm going to turn the steering right and left like that. Then everything will be clean. See, right now everything's okay on the dashboard. So the final thing is that because we have connected the temperature sensor, the fan must kick off automatic. So I'm waiting to see the period which the fan is going to kick off. So let's wait and see. Right now the temperature is 97.2. Right now the temperature is 98.1. Right now the temperature is 98, still 99. Right now the fan must kick off or there is something wrong. Now the fan had already kicked off with 99. So let's wait and see the period where the fan is going to stop so that we know the range. 99, the fan is still running. The fan is still running. It's important to know the range, very crucial, so that we know if this vehicle will overheat or not. So we need just to wait. 95.4, 95.4. The fan is still running. Finally 94. So the fan has stopped with 94.5, which is okay. It's between the range. So the range is between 94 and 99.